Pretty dark out there, so you can't see anything. I'm having a stout beer here now. Probably got about halfway to Guangzhou, and yeah, people still kind of sleeping, hanging around. The odd woman coming past on the train, offering food and drink. And yeah, I spoke to some of the staff now. There's like two girls working randomly, go up and down. So yeah, the next stop, which should probably be in about 5 hours or something, will be actually Guangzhou, but this is actually a Beijing stout I've got, which is cool. Yeah, interesting experience being on a train. I've managed to get a seat now, temporarily, while there's a guy up getting some food somewhere, so I'm actually sitting down at the moment.